You know what's weird? All day you are distracted. School, work, friends, TikTok, Netflix, etc. But the second your head touches the pillow, your brain suddenly decides it's time to hold a meeting. Every mistake, every awkward conversation, every fear about the future. If that's you, this video might explain more about your life than you think. So, let's start with the problem. Let's be honest, you don't hate sleeping, you hate being alone with your thoughts because during the day your brain is busy. Notifications, assignment, messages, etc. But at night, the noise disappears and suddenly it's just you and everything you have been avoiding. But here's the truth. The reason you can't stop thinking at night isn't because your mind is too active. It's because your mind finally has a chance to speak. The question is, are you listening to it? So, here are some habits which will help you to improve your sleeping cycle. Habit 1: Brain dump before bed means write whatever thoughts are coming in your mind in a notebook. Then, habit 2: Stop consuming content 30 minutes before sleeping, meaning you should not use your mobile or any screen related things before sleeping. Habit 3: Create a consistent time sleeping, meaning do not sleep at whatever time you want to. Sleep at a regular timing. If you want more psychological based videos, then do subscribe and like the video.